area behind the rig. This is
that will be reviewed in the constructability, Khalid. In the constructability, probably I will come as a constructability, facilitator, will review it. Okay, guys. So I just want to move ahead, because more or less we have quantified and qualified the list of activity. If something comes up later, please let me know. Will not miss anything. And critical activity. For the construction, I will go quickly, because this is the purely
Ved, can you go to the well operation? Since you come down well operation, you can cover it also. That
I wanted to ask, we have P14 and we have section C, so what's the difference between the two? Seems like they're overlapping.
Yes, Vijay, go ahead.
This is from the rig, and that one independent of the rig for Yemen.
Correct.
Okay, so P14 is through the rig well intervention. Okay, I think maybe better to write through rig well intervention to make it clear in the future.
Yeah, sure.
That is P14, yeah? Can you take note on that?
This one?
Yes, through rig well intervention to make it clear.
Okay. Vijay, you want to say something on well operation?
sorry, yes, please. Mr. Gladwin, can you? I'm just referring the previous current CMOS which has been practiced at Upper Zakama Island. There is one activity that has been there, like self-propelled modular transportation, utilization between harbor and process area, drill pad area. Do you want to add that activity? I don't know what is that, honest. I don't know what is that activity is.
Yeah, it's similar to vehicle movement, but it's a specialized vehicle. We move from the harbor to the drill pad. So yeah, worth adding that.
You want to add that one? Okay, you can.
Yeah. It's similar to the vehicle movement in the well pad area. So
vehicle and
P17. Yeah, P17.
Vehicle and material.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You can add this specific this one. Okay, Gladwin, Mr. Khalid, please advise anything related to acid handling, which is to be added specifically. It will covered under well stimulation itself.
Here I put storage handling of chemicals. Yeah.
Okay, clear.
Okay, guys, anything further? Okay, Gladwin. So we are happy that yes, we have seen the list of activity. Again, guys, I'm saying that no need to worry. The moment we go for the activity, if you feel some activity to be added, please raise your hand, your voice, so that I can hear you.